We head for the sky, it's alright.
Whoa, good thing we stayed, bro. Final steps natin, let's go! Maayong buntag mga dong mga day. Dude, it's so freaking cold in here, man. But in this vlog, we'll go to Osmena Peak, which is the highest peak here in Cebu. This peak is around 1,013 meters above sea level, and it's also known as a vegetable basket because of all the vegetation around the area. And this place is also known as Little Baguio. A little I keep saying Baguio, but it's also known as Little Baguio because it's so freaking cold, bro.
It's cold.
Yo, we're here about to go up to the peak, trying to catch the sunrise. I think we're gonna need to find a guide here somewhere because we didn't get a guide yet. Look how close the clouds are to us. We're so high up. Whew. Jeez Louise. We actually started the drive at around 3 a.m. We woke up super early, like 2 a.m. and then me and my cousin just went in on the energy drink right when we woke up because this is the third time. The first time we didn't wake up, but the second time we went to the wrong place because here, I'll just throw on the clip right now.
Yeah,
what happened, bro?
Damn, bro, I think we're lost.
We're
We're in the middle of nowhere. Like, look, bro, there's no... The road is like super rough na.
If you see the road over here, it's crazy. And then it goes uphill like that for 45 minutes. What the heck? How do you feel?
Abort mission.
Alright, we'll see you in July 8. Alright, it's time to get to the top, guys. Let's catch the sunrise, bro.
Let's get the sunrise. It's so cold.
That's the thing about Cebu. There's so many stray dogs. Wanna come with us? Let's go, come on. Alright.
Pascal. Ay.
What? Even my cousin's just wearing his towel because it's so cold. Yeah, to get up here, it was such a windy road. We're currently at Mantalangon, Barangay Dalaguete, and man, whew, dang. Alright, here's Rhea, Kuya Dong.
Hello.
Bro, we're the only ones here. Magkano daw, Rhea?
50 pesos.
50 pesos.
Yes,
Okay, that's the fee. Okay, they lied to me online. It's actually 1,072.6 meters above sea level. Whew. We're so high up now already. It's so foggy, we can't even see the peak. It was such a waste if we go up and we don't see the peak. Bliss ni ate. She's so used to this kasi.
Sayang, puro fog. Kahapon sir, maganda sunrise.
Ah, kahapon? Kahapon, wrong yung daanan namin. So nagbalik na lang na kami ni ang cousin ko.
Tapos kahapon, papunta kayo dito.
Papunta sana.
Tapos na wrong way yung dinadaan.
Yeah, na wrong way. So balik na lang. Tapos sabi namin, bukas na lang. Pero foggy na, grabe. Wrong timing. Then how long is the hike usually?
15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes lang. Okay. Let's see if the weather gets better. Grabe. All clouds. Te, anong pangalan mo, te?
Shoni.
Shoni. How long have you been doing na this Shoni?
7 years.
7 years na? Grabe. Grabe.
Matagal lang.
No wonder sobrang fit ka. Grabe, 7 years na pala.
Mag-8 na.
Mag-8 na. Uy, happy anniversary.
Diyan lang bahay.
Dito ka lang talaga. Halfway point na. Oh, ganda. Okay, hike's not bad. We're so high up in elevation right now. It's so windy. Why nakasando lang tayo? How are you feeling, bro?
I'm not tired na.
You're okay lang?
Yeah, I'm good, but I'm good.
There they are. You just have to be lucky with the weather sometimes. In the first 3 days, we were lucky, but I guess not today. Today's not our day. Grabe yung sea of clouds, no?
Oo. Tingnan mo sir, white lang yung background.
Oh my gosh.
Wala nang bundok.
What the heck? At least there's a path going to the peak. Good thing it's only a 20-minute hike. Even though it's all fog right now. This looks like from a horror movie, you know? Pero ang ganda pa rin. Are you okay lang, bro?
Yep. Starting to get hot na rin naman because of the sweat.
Because of the sweat, right?
Yeah.
It's not that bad. It's actually feels okay na. Feels
better.
okay na. Yeah. But will the fog ba mag-disappear sila?
Oo.
What time what time usually?
Siguro mga 8, 7 pag ganito kakapal yung fog sir.
Okay, let's wait till that time. What the? Dahil may nagsasound ng ano to? Vegetables pala dito.
Oh, vegetables sir.
Yeah.
Cabbage.
Sino nakatira dito?
Tindahan na yan sir.
Tindahan na to. May strawberry plants pa din.
Strawberries lang.
Strawberry. From Baguio talaga, no? Oh, what the heck? Dang. Look at that. That's why this place is also called the vegetable basket. There's so many vegetation over here, vegetable areas. So this one right here, that's the cabbage. I guess it can only grow in like this high of a sea level. The fact that people live here, I can't live here, you know? Reminds me of the coldness in the States. And it's super far from the city and the stores. And if an emergency happens, like I don't know what they do. Maybe they use magical herbs. I don't know. Woo! Look, look. You can see the cloud over there. This hike just goes uphill. Good thing it's not as slippery as I thought it would be. So high up na. It's Kuya Dong. Okay lang, Kuya? Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. It makes me feel like I'm in the Sound of Music, man. I swear, Cebu is the land of the magical, enchanted place.
With the sound of music.
Grabe ka windy dito. How are you guys feeling on the other side of the screen? Okay lang kayo? They're almost there to the peak. Woo. All clouds, all fog. And as you can tell, the blue of the sky is peeking through the clouds. We're so alive. Final steps natin, let's go. Ooh, dang, we made it. Bro, we made it.
Made it. Look, oh.
Here, let me slow motion it. Ria, how do you feel?
Tired. I want to drink coffee.
Why does Kuya Dong always get the most aesthetic shots? Look at this one, bro. Even at the snorkeling. Grabe ka windy, bro. Look at my hair. It's like all over the place. Show. Whoa. Wait, explain before. How was it like before? How was it like before here?
It was like a packed of people here. So packed.
And then now we have
it's
the
just us.
Yeah.
For the whole trip, no?
Yeah, for the whole trip. That's what makes Cebu like so amazing, this trip, because it's just us. Not that much tourists yet, not that much foreigners, not that much even local. It's just us and our guide. We need a guide. Woo! Yes! We just have to wait till the clouds disappear so we can see the Osmena peaks.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright.
Okay guys, let's see if we can wait for the fog to clear up so we can see the reveal. That's really what we're waiting for. Fingers crossed, hopefully it happens. Please, let the weather gods bless us, man. We gotta pray. Alright, let's go. Please, make it happen.
Too bad if we can't see.
Yeah, it's too bad if we came here and the sea of clouds doesn't show itself. But
It's the rainy season, so
yeah, because it's
quite
the rainy
hard to see
season.
that.
Yeah, but wait, bro, what the heck? Did you just fart?
No,
Bro, because you blew me away. Bro, the reveal. The reveal. Oh my god. It was nice while it lasted. Over there, it's like crazy steep. And let's see if we can hear some fun facts from ate. Yeah. It's sobrang steep na doon, no?
Oo, madalas.
No, may nahulog na ba?
Doon lang banda yung may
Ah, may nahulog dyan? Namatay?
sa hospital na namatay.
Ah, sa hospital namatay? Wow, intense. Always be careful too, you know, don't risk it. Don't risk your life for the shot. Just waiting for the reveal, man. We've been here for like 30 or 40 minutes now. It peaked a little bit, but it's so moist over here. It's like we just took a shower. Naligo na tayo, kuya.
I know,
Yeah.
right?
Look at that Rio over there. Dang.
Hey, what time is it? 1 hour na lang, bro. I have work and it's like a 45-minute walk down and another 1.5 hour going back home.
But your work is flexible naman, ba?
Yeah.
Alright, so you just as long as you log in 10 hours. It's raining on this side and there are people camping, and I had to switch to my GoPro and put my camera back in my bag, but the reveal, hold on, gonna show you guys. Whoa, yo, that's crazy. Kuya Dong, why'd you leave? It's so beautiful right now. Jeez. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my gulay. What the heck? Whoa, what the heck? Sobrang basa, but so worth. Islands over there. The peaks. There's a rainbow too. We're missing out. Look, look, look. The rainbow. Woo. No. It's gonna close up again. The clouds are gonna close it up. Whoa, good thing we stayed, bro. But I can't fly my drone anymore, but man, that was amazing. No, the clouds are covering again. No.
So wet, bro.
Dude, we're so wet. We're so wet, but man, this is so worth it. And the rain stopped too.
But they left us. They freaking left us.
Let's go, guys. Did you enjoy that? Good thing we stayed. See, sometimes you just have to wait a little bit, tiny bit, and then you get the reveal. That's what we were waiting for. That's the best we're gonna get, but I enjoyed that for sure. I hope you guys did too. Tara na, let's go back down. Ooh.
Go home.
It's time to go back. Let's go back. Let's go back.
The flag has been raised.
And it's freaking cold because it's so windy. Oi, careful, careful. I'm so glad we stayed for like 10 more minutes. Yeah. Atreya, Kuya Dong, sayang.
So lit.
It's so lit. The sun is shining now though. Fudge. Too bad. Yeah, you can see the vegetables over there, and then they have houses here where people like do the plantation and all that stuff. And I think the most beautiful part is that you can camp here. So right when you wake up, and if you're blessed by the weather gods, you can see Osmena Peak and all the multiple hill formations. This is what we live for, Ron. I feel like you have to experience this for yourselves. And since the rain stopped, switch back to my camera. Ooh, gotta be careful. But Aaron and I are going down. Dong and Ria went down na din. I'm just glad we stayed so we could experience that together. Even with the rainbow, you know, the rainbow was super sick. I love you, Cebu! Cars over there on that side, so let's just keep going down. The rock formation, dang, nice, bro. It's crazy. I can't imagine living here, man, but they make it work. We're back to the place. Ron slipped. Are you alright, bro?
Yeah, the hand hurts.
Dang. Thank you, pa. Salamat. Thank you so much. Alright, that was a super fun one. And I do it again. I just wish that the weather was a bit better. And you gotta wear the right shoes because it's so slippery. Bring waterproof jacket because of the condensation. And it gets pretty cold, so gotta be careful. Alright, let's go back to the car.
Catch the sunset instead.
Yeah, next time. I think all in all, it was a fun adventure. The rule of life here looks, it's Carabao. Dang. Mission accomplished. That wraps up day 5 of the Cebu itinerary. Bro, you enjoyed, bro?
I did so much.
Yeah. Atreya, you enjoyed. Yeah, Kuya Dong, you enjoyed. Sulit. It's an amazing time for the whole group. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like,
share,
comment, subscribe, smash that thumbs up button. We got you, and then we'll see you on maybe Sikihor na. See you soon. Peace. Bye.